Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in this beautiful world. This is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel, where we give you daily updates on the crypto market and all the opportunities that crypto provides, such as DeFi, NFTs, passive income IDs, and a lot of airdrops, especially in the Cosmos ecosystem. So if you like what you see, put on your notifications so you don't miss out all the upcoming videos that I will be sharing on a daily basis. Today is gonna be a longer video than normal because I will be covering multiple topics, multiple airdrops, and multiple things you should know. But first of all, let me talk about the crypto market very quick. You can see right here, we broke the structure with a big 1 hour candle and we went as low as 38,800. The moment we broke this structure and we now went retest to here, in my opinion on how it looks now, but you have to know the market is very volatile, everything can happen. But what I see currently right now, we just came back here to take out the money and we will drop back lower because we broke this structure right here. And you could see we went back to this place to take out the money and there's a high chance we will keep going lower from now on. But keep in mind, there's also a possibility if they would lower interest rates, the FOT in America, then there's a high chance the market will skyrocket. But if they will keep raising interest rates to stable economy, people will borrow less money and there will be less money in the economy, so the economy will be less driven. And this will make sure that people will invest less and take out more their money out of the markets, every financial market, and they will save up some cash. So that was a very quick update to give you an idea what can happen in the crypto market for now. Just know April and May will be very, very volatile. So keep that in mind. So today we will be covering a lot of things. First of all, if we go to Twitter, I will share 6 topics with you. We are gonna share today how to claim your Assetmantle airdrop. You could see my previous video on how you could fix your stake drop and what are all the requirements. Go watch it right now. The second topic, update on the Jackal DAO airdrop. The third one, we're gonna do an update on the LGND DAO airdrop and when it's gonna be live. The fourth one, you have to take these steps for the OSMO airdrop of LGND DAO airdrop. The fifth one, claim your weekly FOT airdrop. I will show you step by step. The sixth one, update on Crescent Network because that airdrop can earn you some passive income. You should definitely start farming on Crescent Network. Also, the price raised a lot. I will cover everything on the end of the video. So, let's get into the video of today. The first one, what are we going to do? We are going to claim our Assetmantle. As you can see, if we come to Twitter, Assetmantle is live right now. So, let's take a look at Linktree. Click onto this. Then we are going to click onto airdrop Assetmantle. Alright, this will bring us to this page. Once we are onto this page, we just click onto check now for the stake drop. Connect your Kepler or paste your address. Once you have connected your Kepler or provided the address, you will see your total rewards that you get for every network in the Cosmos ecosystem. So I don't see anywhere a claim button for the stake drop. So I'm guessing they will be distributed from itself automatically. But I will check this further. First, let's go back. Let's do this. Claim now. You can see this right here. Claim now. And this is completed. So I guess this is just distributed to your Assetmantle address. So we just need to fix that address in our Kepler. But first, let us claim this one. Check eligibility. Connect your Kepler. Alright, then click on to claim. Now, read all these terms. Make sure to read them carefully so you know what you are setting yourself up to. Once we have scrolled to the downside, we just accept and continue. Alright. Now we see Mantle airdrop for osmosis liquidity providers. We have a staking EPR of 135. That's really nice. Distribution left. There are still 30 million Mantle tokens to be distributed. Also, they have their missions. Yes, this sounds really good. Alright. Connect wallet. Yes. Yes. Alright. Wallet connected. Mission 1 initial claim. So I can see right here for the 5 missions, this is for the Osmo liquidity providers. You can see that Osmo's liquidity providers. It's not possible for now. So we have to wait to do these missions. This is coming soon. So what I'm going to do is take this address, copy it. So I took this address to check in my Kepler if it's the same address because I have connected my wallet. It should be also connected in my Kepler wallet between the other networks. I will show you. So when we scroll to the downside now, we see beta support. We see on the downside Assetmantle. So if you click onto that, I thought my tokens would be here, but they are not here. So it isn't other options to access our tokens. So just let's get back to it. And the thing we do is very simple. Click onto this and then click onto Assetmantle.1. Alright, and then we click onto the Mantle wallet. Once we have done that, we click right here on sign in. Then I'm going to use my ledger. Yes, connect. Alright, so this is not going to work. I'm going back. I'm going to use my Kepler. Yes, approve. Yes, right, continue. Alright, so I have a total of my Mantle right here. And here I have a vesting schedule. So if we click onto view, I will see Tuesday, October 18, 2021 to Wednesday, April 19, 2023. Those tokens will be unlocked from this date to this date. So here I can see my total that I have right now, and you can send it to an address if you want. So everything is seeable right here. This is our dashboard, and we can delegate our mantles to stake them, and you could see the staking reward is 135% at this moment. So now if we want to stake our tokens, we just click onto staking. Then we can choose a validator of choice. I'm going to choose 2 validators to do this. Let me take a look which one I am going to choose. I will choose Imperator, Actions, Delegate. Alright, you can also see 100% refund on downtime slashing. They are now getting more and more popular in the Cosmos ecosystem. They're bringing value, so I'm going to stake to them. Delegate. Alright, I'm just going to do 200 tokens. Submit. Yes. So we can see right now we don't have enough of the Mantle on our balance to cover the transaction fee. So let's click reject, put this away. Alright, let's go back to wallet. Then let's take our address, just click onto this, copy it, put it right here, send 1 token. So this is also not working. You can see that it's also the first time for me. I'm taking you into the progress fully so you can see where I'm stuck and what is my next step that I'm doing to fix it. So I cannot send it also, so I have a problem right here. So let's go back to staking. Let's try it again. Let's take friends this time. I also like this one. Delegate. Let's do 200. Submit. And we can see right here it's not working. So what I'm going to do right now, just going to my Kepler, I'm going to go to the downside. I'm going to remove this. So let's go back. Remove this. Yes, remove. So now it's removed right here. Let's log out. Log out. Do a good refresh. Make sure, click onto control to refresh the whole browser. So once we have done that, click back onto sign in, use Kepler, approve this before you click onto yes, approve, click continue. Now let's go back to staking. I'm gonna take the one that I see first, friends, yes, delegate, 200 tokens, submit. Alright, and now we just do low instead of average. Click approve. You have to confirm this into your ledger if you're using one. Doing this right now. Alright, approved. It should be working right now. Alright, it's worked. So that's how you fix your things. If you still have a problem or you have some questions, just leave a comment and I will try to help you further. But normally, this is the way that you can fix the things if you have an error or you have an error transaction, or you cannot stake your Assetmantle tokens. Alright, so I'm gonna do this really quick for all my tokens, and then we will head up to the second topic of today, the update on the Jackal DAO airdrop. Just something quick that I want to show while I'm delegating my other tokens. If you click onto average, it will give you an error transaction. So always choose low, then it will work, alright? So now that I have staked, delegated all my tokens to the validators of choice, you can see it right here if you click onto delegate it. So that was it for the Assetmantle airdrop. Let's get into the update on the Jackal DAO airdrop. First, log out right here. Alright, for the Jackal DAO airdrop, this is going to be very quick. You can see the snapshots are taken. Go check my previous video for all the information about Jackal DAO airdrop. I will leave a card now in the top right corner. You can also see the Jackal economics paper is released. Go check it out on the Jackal wiki. So come check this out. Read everything. Read yourself in so you know if the airdrop is worth it, yes or no. You can also see they have done a collaboration with Phantom Panda NFT. So make sure to come check the Twitter. The snapshots are done, so now we are waiting. When is the airdrop? You can see I went to the Discord. I asked when airdrop. This isn't clear for me. No response. There's no much interaction with this community, but it's only 30 minutes ago that I asked it. So let's see what will happen with this one. Now we come on to the third topic of today. We will do an update on the LGND DAO airdrop, when it's going to be live. As you can see, the liquidity bootstrapping pools open 1 May to May 4th. So they will be live on May 4th, in my opinion. This is what I'm guessing. Or May 1st, but I'm counting on May 4th to receive the LGND DAO airdrop. So stay tuned. I will give you an update when this airdrop is live, like I just did with Assetmantle, and I will take you through everything you need to know step by step. So if you appreciate the content that I provide and the value, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, give me a comment. Thank you for that. So now I will take you to the fourth topic of today. Take these steps for the OSMO airdrop. This is also for the LGND DAO airdrop. I will show you this. You can see it right here, tweeted on April the 13th. Osmonauts, get ready for a legend airdrop to get you started on LGND DAO NFT. First of all, you have to follow them. You have to follow this one also. Then you have to join the Discord, what I already did. I will do it again. Click on to accept. Yes. Then fill out this form with your secret address, optional, Twitter and Discord name by April 26th. So you have still 5 days left to do this. So make sure to do it in time if you want to receive the legendary airdrop for osmosis. Fill in this form, click onto it, just provide. You can see this is a must, this is a must, this is not a must. You can do this. For people who don't know how to find their name on Discord, very simple. Go to this, copy it, go back, click onto paste. Alright, this is your address, very simple like that. Twitter handle, also very simple. Let's just click onto Twitter. When we click onto that, we just click onto profile, then we do this. Copy, paste it right here. You can provide your secret address if you want. I would not recommend that, but you can do it. Alright, I have submitted. Got it. Stay legendary. So make sure to do this. I will leave all the links that you need in the description of my video. So make sure to check it out. So those were the steps we need to do to put ourselves up for the legendary airdrop. You have only 5 days left. So do it in time. Now let's get to the fifth topic of today, the FOT airdrop. You know this airdrop, what I'm talking about. I showed you 3 videos. I have 3 parts, part 1, part 2, part 3. I will share part 1 in this video as a card. Make sure to go check out all my first 3 videos about FOT if you don't know what I'm talking about. But for today, I will just show you how to claim your next weekly airdrop. This is a reminder. Just first you connect your wallet, then you click onto drops, airdrop, then you click on the 4th week. This is the 4th week already. We still have 20 weeks left. Click on to claim, approve, prove this into your ledger. Doing this right now. You will see it's a longer transaction. Yes, approved. Alright, successfully airdrop. So now, let's go take a look at the vote drops. If there's something to claim, already claimed. Not claimable. Okay. JUNO swap liquidity providers. Not claimable. Alright. So now we go to the module. We do burn module. If we do the max, how much before it is? 270. So let's take a look at JUNO swap. The price dropped a lot, people. A lot. I saw the price of BFOT at $6. Now it's like 10 cents. Oh, it's 6 cents. 270 is now $70. Bro, you have to know. When I first started, it was like $1,200, 270 BFOT. So it dropped a lot. Yeah, this was... I saw it coming. Gonna be honest, it's just a money printer if you know the system, but in the long term maybe they can do well. You never know. And I'm still grateful to get an airdrop of $10 a week. It's $40 a month. I'm thankful for that. Everything that's free and that's extra, that's welcome for me, and I'm very thankful for that. So I'm not complaining. There are a lot of people complaining in the ecosystem of Cosmos about this airdrop, but I'm not complaining. I'm grateful, even if it's just 10 cents. Something is something. So I don't understand the mindset of some people. If you get something, just be happy, sell it, and be happy you have some extra money. What's the problem? There are people working for $6 an hour in a fabric. So yeah, just think in another way, please. Just want to share this with the community because I saw a lot on Twitter, and in my opinion, that's not necessary. So what can we do? Just close this. All right. So I'm gonna burn this to the max. Click burn. This is the thing you should do because FOT, you cannot sell this. Approve. Confirming into ledger. So now the option that we have is to burn our BFOT to GFOT and stake those GFOT for extra passive income rewards. I will show you that. So we click onto modules, grant module. You will see I have my rewards right here. This is FOT. My rewards for now was 1.6. So if I would go to burn module and I do 1.6, I would know how much of my rewards are. Why is it not working? Oh, my balance is 0. You have to do a balance to see this. Go back to grant module. Yes. Max. Alright. Burn. Proof. I'm just sticking with this for the long term. You never know if it's blowing up again in the future. So I'm just sticking with this. There's no reason to sell right now. This would be a dumb move in my opinion. So now we have done this. We have our GFOT, and now we have to stake our GFOT. Click stake, approve, confirm this into your ledger. This is what decentralized finance. So maybe in the future they can do some great stuff. All right. So now you see my staked GFOT, and now I'm earning my rewards right here. So everything is fixed. Everything is how it should be for me right now. I recommend everyone go do this right now if you receive this airdrop, and make sure that you are still earning some passive income, and maybe the price will raise a bit more in the future again. Show you a quick chart what happened with the BFOT price. You can see the day of release, it was $2.50, March 21. Then we went as high as $7, April the 3rd, April the 2nd. And then we started a bearish downtrend to 6 cents, and we are dead right now. But yeah, it's still something for the people. It's still free money. That's why I say don't complain too much. Be grateful and go to the next airdrop. Don't stuck in those negative thoughts. So let's just log out right here. Close it. Now we will be covering the last topic of today. This is the last recent airdrop we had, the Crescent Network. And this was also a big airdrop of $1,000 for me and for a lot of people. And now I will show you why you should be farming on Crescent Network. Don't sell your airdrop in my opinion. And if you want to sell to make sure that you have enough liquidity and you want to buy JUNO, Osmosis, Atom, I completely understand you. But I'm going to be supporting Crescent Network because I think their DEX is very easy to use, and they have some very good things for in the future that a lot of people can take advantage on, and a lot of people would like to use that. So just connect your wallet on Crescent Network with Kepler, yes. Then if you click onto portfolio, you will see right now, this is my airdrop amount, what I have now. So I'm now already farming $24. The first day we weren't farming anything because if we click onto governance, proposals are done right now. But if you look at the past, they had a proposal to activate the farming rewards. And this is now passed, so now we are earning rewards in the Crescent Network. So I showed you before in my previous video, so I will leave a card in the top right corner so you can see step by step how you can farm onto this. But I wanted to give this update so you don't forget to start doing this. Start staking, start farming so you can earn some good rewards on your free money airdrop that is currently worth $3,000 for me. Isn't this great? This is what I want to mean. If you don't want to miss out on all the upcoming airdrops and information, subscribe to my channel, put on your notifications, and I hope to see you into the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.